Imagine a world where cars run on nothing but water, eliminating the need for fossil fuels and even traditional battery power. Sounds like something out of science fiction, right? But rumors have been swirling that Tesla, the leader in electric vehicle innovation, is working on a groundbreaking hydrogen-powered water engine. Could this be the next big leap in sustainable transportation, or is it just another internet myth? Let's break it down. For years, Tesla has been synonymous with electric vehicles powered by cutting-edge battery technology. Elon Musk has been vocal about his skepticism of hydrogen fuel cells, calling them inefficient and impractical. However, recent leaks and speculations suggest Tesla might be exploring an alternative fuel concept, a hydrogen-powered water engine. This supposed engine would extract hydrogen from water through electrolysis, creating a clean energy source that could rival lithium-ion batteries. If true, it would mark a revolutionary shift in Tesla's approach to sustainable transportation. The concept behind a hydrogen-powered water engine is relatively simple but highly ambitious. Water, H2O, is composed of hydrogen and oxygen. Through a process called electrolysis, electricity is used to separate these elements, producing hydrogen gas, which can then be used as fuel. The hydrogen is then fed into a fuel cell, where it reacts with oxygen from the air to generate electricity. This electricity powers the vehicle's motor, producing only water vapor as a byproduct, making it one of the cleanest energy solutions imaginable. Despite Tesla's commitment to battery-powered EVs, there are challenges with lithium-ion technology, such as limited battery lifespan, long charging times, and reliance on rare earth metals. A hydrogen-powered water engine could potentially solve these problems by offering faster refueling. Unlike EV batteries, which take time to recharge, hydrogen can be refueled in minutes. Extended range, hydrogen fuel cells have the potential to deliver significantly longer driving ranges compared to current battery technology. Sustainability, reducing dependence on lithium mining and creating an alternative energy source, could align with Tesla's mission of environmental responsibility. While the idea of a hydrogen-powered water engine sounds promising, it's not without its obstacles. Some of the biggest challenges include energy efficiency. Electrolysis and hydrogen fuel cells are currently less efficient than direct battery power, leading to energy losses. Infrastructure limitations. Hydrogen refueling stations are scarce compared to EV charging stations, making widespread adoption difficult. Production costs. Hydrogen fuel cell technology is still expensive to produce and implement on a large scale. There's no concrete evidence that Tesla is actively developing a hydrogen-powered water engine. However, advancements in hydrogen technology continue to gain traction worldwide, with companies like Toyota and Hyundai investing heavily in fuel cell vehicles. Could Tesla surprise the world by defying expectations and embracing hydrogen? While Elon Musk has dismissed hydrogen in the past, technological breakthroughs and market demands may eventually lead Tesla to explore new possibilities. Tesla has always been at the forefront of innovation, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of transportation. Whether or not a hydrogen-powered water engine is in Tesla's future remains uncertain, but the idea itself represents a fascinating glimpse into what sustainable mobility could look like. For now, the Tesla rumor mill keeps spinning, leaving us to wonder, could water be the fuel of the future? Only time will tell.